right, Kitch, give us 2 minutes on substrates.
Right, okay, so inside here we've got the 6-axis robots. The build chamber is fully vacuum formed, and on here we have our 600 by 600 mil build plates. In this configuration at the moment, we have a protection plate, and we can put on a variety of different substrates, varying from 80 to 150, 300, all the way up to 600 by 600 mil, and combinations of thereof. This gives us huge flexibility in the size of parts that we can produce, and we can produce up to pretty much 1 meter in the diagonal formation, and we can build up to 70 centimeters high in the Z-axis. The articulation of the robot gives us the ability to do free-form shapes, and we're firing powder from underneath onto this substrate.
What sort of mass can the robot hold?
So, including the weight of the actual substrate itself, here we can have 40 kilograms of mass, as long as it's not acting too much in a pendulum and high up. But we can produce a 40 kilogram square quite easily, or 40 kilogram net shape quite easily on this substrate holder.
Can you tell me about the robot? Anything about the robot?
So we're using a 6-axis robot. It's produced by a company called ABB, and it basically operates the same way as a human arm. So if we're looking at the base, if you think of that as the shoulder joint, we have up, down, left and right at that point. Coming up to the third axis, that is almost like an elbow. So we're having this pendulum effect with the elbow. And then if we move up here, we have a rotation in the forearm. That's the 4th axis. We have a wrist action of up and down on the wrist action, and a rotation giving us our 5th and our 6th axis.